Hi guys, my name is Evelyn. Welcome to my video. Today I'm trying to explain you very quickly the concept of the blockchain. Imagine yourself the blockchain as a publicly shared Excel sheet. Not just one Excel sheet, but many Excel sheets next to each other. Publicly shared means that everyone can see it, but no one can edit anything on it. Of course, we need information on that Excel sheet. So that's why imagine yourself as well a digital accountant. Actually, a lot of digital accountants all over the world. Each accountant is controlled by the network itself. So in other words, the blockchain with this lot of Excel sheets, so like a chain of Excel sheets, is a decentralized protocol of all information made. Decentralized means that all information are kept not just only on one computer, but are available on many computers all around the world. As we said, the Excel sheets do not belong to anyone, nor company, nor institution, or any individual. Therefore, the blockchain is a neutral system which is processing all information that it gets. The blockchain is not just about cryptocurrency. Any transaction with information can be put in the blockchain. Any contract which is made, whether it's your purchasing contract or the certificate of your marriage, as well, the supply chain can use the blockchain. So you want to know where your apple juice comes from. So all steps it went through, from picking the apples till shipping until the supermarket. Every single process and every single step is kept in a public ledger. Another example, you're watching this video right now. You're listening to my voice, and this what just happened cannot be deleted or edited afterwards, because this is an action which happened in the past. Now you could say, well, I actually haven't watched that video. But what if your friend is watching you watching that video? Well, it will be a bit difficult to lie, because he knows it. This applies as well to the blockchain, because the blockchain keeps with his digital accountants track of every information it gets. The blockchain enables any information and transaction between individuals without including any third party, nor institutions, nor authorities, nor individuals. Our network of strict accountants verify and control every information which comes in. And this is happening publicly, so that means that the blockchain is a very transparent tool. So to summarize, the blockchain is a decentralized and transparent, publicly shared Excel sheet. So this Excel sheet, or this protocol, captures every information and exchange between parties. Any information made cannot be edited or manipulated afterwards, thanks to our digital accountants. Thank you guys for watching this very short introduction to the blockchain. I hope they helped you, and I hope to see you very soon. Ciao!